Good morning. So today I'm going to show you guys how to cite a photograph in NoodleTools, okay? So here I have my NoodleTools project page open. Hopefully you know how to get to your project. Make sure you're inside the particular project you're working on. Then when we're here, we want to click Create New Citation. So where did I find this photograph? I found it on a website. What is it? I choose photo or image, born digital. So photo image here, okay? Now, let me show you the site where I got the picture. I want to use this picture of the honeybee on the yellow flower here, okay? So I'm going to go back to my NoodleTools, and I'm going to pay attention here. My container website is USA Today, and I'm going to copy and paste my URL first of all. So URL, I'm going to paste that in. Name of container website, USA Today. I don't need the publisher of the site right now. Date of publication, let's go back to my article and let's scroll down here. Date of publication, June 23rd, 2017. Come back here. June 23rd, 2017. Most recent date of access, today. Okay, so let's go back to see what we can find about this photo. I want this one here. It originally was a little bit smaller, so it was here. So make it a little bigger. Okay, there's my photo. People can do small things at home to help honeybees. That's a caption. That is not the title of this photograph. But down here it tells me Rugly G, Getty Images / iStock photo. So that was the source. Rugly G is the one who took the picture, and then we have Getty Images, iStock photo. So I'm going to come back to my NoodleTools, and I'm going to choose artist, and I'm going to put first name, Rugly G. I'm going to put that because we only have that one thing. That's probably the username on iStock photo, okay? And it is a photograph. Now I've debated here whether I should add Getty Images here, but the only option it gives me is artist, and Getty Images is not the artist. Getty Images is sort of one of the sources of where that photo came from. So it's tricky. I'm going to leave it like this right now because I don't have a good option for anybody other than artist. So type of image, photograph. Title of photograph. It is not titled. So it says over here, if providing given title, capitalize the first letter. If providing a description of the work, capitalize the words as you would a normal English sentence. There's no title. So I'm going to title this Honey Bee on a Yellow Flower. Date created, copyright, I don't know. They don't give me that information. Okay? So now I'm going to go back here and I'm going to click Save. And let's take a look at how that looks in my citations now. Image, I've done this twice now. So Rugly G, Honeybee on Yellow Flower, USA Today, 23 June 2017, USA Today, access 26 March 2019. Okay? So that is how I create a citation for a photograph in NoodleTools Junior. Thank you.